Hello friends, welcome back again. So today we will discuss how you can convert WDIO scripts into async mode. So first of all, we will discuss synchronous and asynchronous. It means sync and async both are different ways to handle and executing the code. So in asynchronous code allows multiple operation to be executed concurrently without waiting for each operation to complete before moving on. And instead of blocking the execution, asynchronous operation are initiated and the program continues with other tasks without waiting for the results. It means the you like if you have a four line of code, like you have written four line of code, so in async mode the parallel execution will take place. Like if first line is running, it will not wait for the result for the first line of code. It will automatically jump to the second, third, and fourth. That's why he mentioned concurrently, or you can say parallelly. So in async mode, parallel execution take place. So in WDIO, sync mode has been now sync mode is not supported by WDIO after 2021. Now only async mode, WDIO work with only async mode. Some differences are there. Basically, WDIO supports JavaScript, so we will discuss here that how synchronous and asynchronous works. So in synchronous, instruction in synchronous code executes in given sequence. So in synchronous mode, execution will be in the sequential manner. So it will wait for the, as I gave you an example, four line of code. So if first line runs, it will wait for the first line result, then it will move to the second line. So that's why our time increase while execution the code, and some important line of codes could be missed if we use synchronous mode. In asynchronous instruction in asynchronous code can execute in parallel, as I told you, and each operation waits for the previous operation to complete its execution. So what I said, so first line will wait for the to move to the second line. It needs the result for the first line. So in whereas in asynchronous mode, next operation can occur while the previous operation is still getting processed. So I think it's clear. So now we will see then how you can write your async mode, how you can write your code in async mode. So if we take an example, like we have to fetch an title of a web page. So we discuss, if you if I write so in async mode we will use await and async keywords for the execution in async mode. We have two keywords, one is await and one is async. So see, now we'll see how you can use that. So first of all, I have this describe block and I have it block. So what I wrote here, like browser dot URL. I will move to an URL. I'll take a website, like we can take any demo website like this. Copy, paste. Right now, I'll take a variable const title, and I'll say browser dot get title is a method in WDIO who will fetch the title of your website. or yes. Now I'll print, simply I'll print the console.log title. So here, this is the sync mode. So we didn't use any await or async keyword here. So as I said you, after 2021, WDI doesn't support to sync mode. So what we will do, if I run this, like if I show you npx WDI run WDI dot js, we have to, it will not give an it will not give us a proper output. It will say, let's say it will give an that promise is pending, something like that. It will pass, but the thing is the output will not come. As you can see, there is no output of this console.log. So it doesn't support any uh, sync mode. So that's why we'll move to the async mode, right? So for the async mode, what we will do, we'll just simply in each block we just write the async with the arrow function or a function, and here I will put the await with every command. Await, something called await, and here I will also, no need for this. So where you will use your methods, you have to mention something called await and async in it block. So we'll save it and execute it. Now you will see the title of this website. Wait a minute. See, this is the output of our test code execution. So how you can get get title in async mode, whereas in sync mode now WDI doesn't support sync mode anymore. So you have to work only for the await and async. So await is what? Await is just a keyword which is used for the where you are using any WDIO methods to get title, to fetch title. It just only wait for the result coming out and pass to the when you will execute your code. See. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this video will be useful to you, and thank you.